Aloha and welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Grant Sato, and today I'll be preparing for you beef satay, satay noa. Place the coconut cream, fish sauce, sweetened condensed milk, oil, sugar, and curry powder in a bowl and mix well until smooth. Add in the beef and mix well by hand to ensure the beef is covered evenly with the marinade. Store the marinating beef chilled for up to 3 days before cooking. When ready to cook, remove the beef from the marinade and skewer the beef. Grill until the desired doneness is achieved. For the dipping sauce, heat a medium-sized saute pan on high and add in the coconut cream, curry paste, fish sauce, palm sugar, your choice of nuts, and mix well until smooth. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 3 to 4 minutes or until the sauce is nice and thick. You may present the beef sauté and dipping sauce separately, or you can drizzle the dipping sauce on the beef sauté. For this recipe and more, please visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.